the helpline number of NSDL as mentioned in the notice of general meeting. Since the AGM is being held through video conferencing or other audio visual means, the resolutions mentioned in the notice convening this AGM have already been put to vote through remote e-voting, and as the facility of voting is also available at the general meeting, there will be no proposing or seconding of the resolutions.
The company in Mumbai. This is the 5th virtual meeting of its kind. The board report and audited financial accounts for the financial year ended March 31st, 25 are already with you, and with your kind permission, I take them as read. Before I present the performance of the company, I request Vandana to confirm the presence of quorum for the meeting.
Yes, sir. The quorum is present. We have around 45 members present in the meeting. We can proceed.
Thank you, Vandana. As the requisite quorum is present, I, as the chairman, call the meeting to order. Before we start the main proceeding, I just request my board members joining the meeting through VC to introduce themselves, as well as this CFO, Mr. Ganesh Agarwal.
Yeah, good morning, everybody. I'm Ganesh Agarwal, the Chief Financial Officer of the company. I'm participating in this meeting through video conference from Pune.
Mrs. Sheila Iyer.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Sheila Mohan Iyer, Independent Director of the company. I'm Chairperson of the Audit Committee, Stakeholder Relationship Committee, and Nomination and Remuneration Committee. I'm also the member of the Finance Committee. I'm participating in this meeting through video conference from my residence in Mumbai. Thank you.
Mr. Mahesh Solanki.
Hello, good morning, everyone. I am Mahesh Solanki, non-executive non-independent director of the board of our company. I am member of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee. I am participating in this meeting through the video conference from Vadodara.
Mr. Kirti Rathod, Independent Director.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Kirti Rathod, Chairman of Deluxe Pairings Private Limited. I'm attending the meeting virtually from my home in Bombay.
Yeah. Okay, Vandana, you can take over.
Thank you, all of you. Mr. Himesh Gajjar, partner of Messrs. Shah, Mehta and Bakshis, our statutory auditors. Mr. Sudhanva S. Kalamkar, proprietor of Messrs. Sudhanva S. Kalamkar and Associates, practicing company secretary, who is appointed as secretary auditor and scrutinizer of this meeting, have also joined us in this general meeting for their respective locations. I now request Mr. Harshad Patel, our chairman, to continue with the proceedings of the meeting.
Thank you, Vandana. I am satisfied that all the efforts feasible have been made to conduct this meeting and the items being considered at the meeting. Before we take up the notice, I'd like to share with you the performance of the year and the future outlook. The June 25 results were declared and are before you. For the first quarter of 25-26, the company's sales were 41 crores, reflecting an increase of 10.89% as compared to that of the same previous year, and an 8.65% increase over the previous quarter, 25-26, quarter 4. Current year sales till August 25 amounted to 69.61 crores as against 63.68 crores achieved in the same period of the last year. This is a growth of 9% over last year. The sales for the first half of the current year should be approximately 10% higher than the same period of the past year. The past year has presented a unique set of challenges for our company, particularly in the execution of the Bangalore project. While the progress was impacted by factors such as civil works, government approvals, technology transfers, timelines, and onboarding of key personnel, each of these hurdles offered us valuable lessons which will help us to avoid these problems in the future. Our approach was to leverage internal capabilities wherever possible, opting to build expertise in-house rather than rely on turnkey solutions from external agencies. This decision, though ambitious, reflects our long-term commitment to strengthening our internal competencies for fostering sustainable growth. Barring the painting facility, all the equipments are at site and trials for the automation of the existing components and the first articles of the new business are all going on. The additional business from this plant will flow from December 25. The tube processing project at Bangalore has not made much progress. The imported machines have been received and installed, but we have not made any significant breakthrough in the market. A fresh look is being given to this project, including the idea to move to another location. The first operations of steel cutting facility at the Malur plant were started in June 25, and this helped us to create space at our old plant so that existing additional business could be introduced at our old plant. The project for a large cutting shop at Gujarat has been commissioned in September 25. This will have a first of its kind cutting facility capable of cutting very large parts up to 12 meters in length and of very high thickness. This will cater to the heavy engineering sector. The equipment has been specially designed as per our requirements with advanced cutting software capabilities. We are also commissioning a large cutting shop in Gujarat by end of October to cater to the retail segment for cut and bend parts. These capabilities will add substantially to the business of the Gujarat facilities. The company is investing a lot in IT to digitize the operations and make use of MRP and IoT to manage for improved quality and productivity. The training center for improving operation skills has been started at our Gujarat facilities. This will significantly improve our capabilities in the CNC operations and welding operations. The robotics business has started generating sales. We are establishing sales and service network in North and Western India. We also plan to set up 3 demo and application centers in Pune, Gujarat, and Bangalore. The first center will be inaugurated in October 25. As we can see, the hardware part of the building blocks of the future are getting in place. The human resource side has been lagging and is holding back some of the progress. We hope to have that in place by December 25. The way our addressable market is changing is throwing up a lot of opportunities which we are getting ready to address. We are confident that we'll start seeing the benefit of all these initiatives within 2 quarters. I thank you for your support. I would like to hand over the rest part of the notice of the AGM to Vandana.
Thank you, sir. The notice of the 33rd Annual General Meeting and the annual report containing audited financial statements for the year ended 31st March 25 and the board's auditors' reports have been sent by electronic mode to those members whose email addresses are registered with the company or depositories. These documents have also been made available on the company's website. Considering the above, the notice is being taken as read. The register of directors, shareholding, register of contracts, copies of audited financial statements, etc. are available for inspection to the members. Members seeking to inspect such documents can send an email to investors@rishilaser.com. Messrs. Shah Mehta and Bakshi, statutory auditors, have submitted their report for the financial statements for the year ended 31st March 2025. The auditor's report does not contain any qualifications or modified opinion or any adverse remarks. There being no other business, there being no qualifications, the entire report is not required to be read in this meeting, and the auditor's report is being taken as read. In terms of the notice of the 33rd Annual General Meeting, the following items of business are to be considered at this meeting. Ordinary business. First, to consider and adopt the audited financial statements of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2025 and the report of the Board of Directors and Auditors thereon. Second, to appoint a director in place of Mr. Mahesh Solanki, DIN 09213491, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. Special business. Third, to appoint secretary auditors of the company. Fourth, ratification by members for payment of remuneration to the cost auditors. Fifth, to approve reappointment and remuneration of Mr. Harshad Patel, DIN 00164228, as managing director of the company. Remote e-voting facility was made available to all the members holding shares as on the cutoff date, that is on 15 September 2025. During the period commencing from 9 a.m. on Wednesday, 17 September 2025 till 5 p.m. on Sunday, 21st September 2025. Remote e-voting has been blocked on 21st September 2025 at 5 p.m. Members joining the meeting through video conferencing and who have not already cast their vote by means of remote e-voting may vote through electronic facility provided by NSDL. The members who have cast their vote by remote e-voting prior to the AGM shall not be entitled to cast their vote again. I will now begin with the question answer session by calling the shareholders one by one. Do we have first speaker shareholder Mr. Rajendra Jamnadas Sheth, technical support? Could you please confirm?
The first speaker shareholder is not connected in the meeting. We can move to next speaker shareholder.
The second one is also not there, I think. Mr. Anil Mehta is not there, right?
Yes, this Anil sir is not connected in the meeting. You can shift to next speaker shareholder.
We have third speaker shareholder, Ms. Lekha Shah. I request to...
Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are. Good morning.
Very good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Respected Chairman, sir, Board of Directors, and my fellow members, good morning and regards to everyone. Myself, Lekha Shah, I am joining this meeting from Mumbai. At the outset, I would like sincerely thank our Company Secretary Vandana ma'am for giving me this opportunity and smooth process where I am able to talk in front of you all in AGM. I found the AGM notice and I am delighted to say it's so beautiful, full of colors, facts and figures in place. Once again, thank you so much, Vandana ma'am. Chairman sir, your opening remarks so insightful and comprehensive that you have already addressed everything I had in mind. Sir, I pray to God that 2026 comes with great prosperity for our company. And also, I extend my best wishes to the company for its future growth and performance. Sir, I have complete trust in our Board of Directors and Chairman, sir. Where there is trust, there is no question, sir. As a regular speaker, I would like to request that a factory visit or get together for the available members present at the meeting, sir. Sir, I hope the company will continue video conference meeting in future. So I would like to say I strongly and wholeheartedly support all the resolution for today's meeting. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Thank you very much, Ms. Lekha Shah. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. We have next speaker, Mr. Ashish Shankar Bansal. I request you to unmute your audio and switch on the webcam and speak.
You can hear my voice, madam? Hello?
Yes, please.
You can hear my voice?
Yes.
Respected Chairman.
Yeah.
Respected Chairman and Board of Directors. Good morning, everyone. I already sent my queries If you can reply, I am thankful to you. I support all the regulation. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Can you, Vandana, can you go to the next and then
Yes. Mrs. Prakashini Ji Shenoy, please unmute your audio and switch on the webcam.
Madam, am I audible?
Yes.
Thank you, dear. I am Prakashini Ganesh Chanai from Bombay. Respected Honorable Chairman, Mr. Harshit Ji, other dignitaries on the board, and my fellow shareholders, good morning to all of you. I received the AGM report well in time, which is transparent, informative, knowledgeable, and contains all the information as per the corporate governance. I thank Ms. Vandana Ji and her team for the same. The chairman has given a beautiful picture regarding the company and its working in all parameters. Thank you, sir. I am glad to note that the company is doing better when compared to the last year. Congratulations to one and all. Sir, I have one or two questions. My first question is, kindly highlight the future roadmap for growth and risk in business due to global situation. And my next question is, how are we planning for Digital India? And last question is, are we having any changes in GST? As there are changes in rates which is applicable from today, please let me know. I wish the company good luck for a bright future and pray God that the profit of the company shall reach the peak in due course. Chairman, sir, last but not the least, as my predecessor, Ms. Lekha Shah, had requested, I also join and request you earnestly, please continue with VC so that people all over will have an opportunity to express their views. I strongly and wholeheartedly support all the resolutions put forth in today's meeting. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Shenoy.
The other speaker shareholders have not joined.
Okay.
So, ma'am, there is Bimal Kumar Agarwal and Bharat Shah in, so you can call them now. Bimal, sir.
Bimal Kumar Agarwal, sir. Yeah, please unmute your audio and switch on the web.
Hello. I have joined from starting and my name was called up. Now my name, speaker number was given 4 number. How you can say it's not joined? Good morning to you. Sorry, I'm complaining. I don't want to complain.
No. We are sorry this goof up has happened. Please carry on. Yeah.
No problem. I'm a very old child of this company.
Okay.
As Lekha Shah had said that please continue video conference, I also agree. Good morning to you. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night to other shareholders, other directors who have joined from different part of the world.
Right.
Now, let me start by thanking the company secretary and his team for creating such a beautiful and informative annual report. I am very much sure that the rich experience of board of this company will guide the management team to achieve bigger milestone in the years to come. I have one quote. What is the accretion rate of our employees? That's all from me. And please continue video conference and try to arrange a plant visit if you don't mind. Who has joined the meeting today? Only for them. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Bimal Kumar ji. Thank you for your support. It means a lot to us.
We have another speaker shareholder, Anil Mehta.
Yes, Mr. Anil Mehta. Yeah.
Please unmute yourself.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, please. You are audible. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anil, sir, we have sent you a request to unmute. You can unmute and speak your question.
Now it is audible, sir?
Yes, it is audible.
Okay, good morning. It's Anil Mehta. I attend this meeting from my residence, Kandivali, Mumbai. From our side, we have only one question that looking to the trade war and the present situation with our neighbor country and also the present repo rate and now change in the slab in the GST rate, how much the growth can we expect in a current FY 2025-26? As a shareholder, we are supporting all the resolution, and thanks to the Secretarial Department for their cooperation and support. Thank you and all the best for the bright future of our company.
Thank you so much, Anil bhai. Your support means a lot to us. Yes. Anybody else, Vandana?
Mr. Bharat Shah, please unmute yourself.
Hello. Sir,
yeah, you are audible, please.
હર્ષદભાઈ કેમ છો?
એકદમ મજામાં જો તમે.
ગયા વર્ષે આપણે રૂબરૂમાં મળ્યા હતા હર્ષદભાઈ IMC માં.
We had our EGM, sir.
Yes. I remember now. Yes. Sure. Yes.
અને આ વખતે આપણે બહુ દૂરથી મળીએ છીએ.
તમે ક્યાંથી જોઈન કરો છો?
હું અહીંયા ઘરેથી જ, એટલે મારા સિદ્ધિ વિનાયકની બાજુમાં રહું છું.
અચ્છા અહીંયા જ રહો છો. ઓકે, બોમ્બેમાં. ઓકે. તો દૂરથી નથી. I am less than 3 kilometers away from you.
આપણે વર્ષમાં એક વખત જે રૂબરૂમાં મળીએ ને એ અલગ છે. એટલે કે એક વખત રાખો રૂબરૂમાં મળવાનું વર્ષમાં, કે ગેટ ટુગેધર કરો, કે પછી AGM માં રૂબરૂમાં મળો, તો એ આનંદ આવે છે આપણને. દર વર્ષે મળતા હતા ને એટલે.
Yes. We can have more closer relation that way. True. Yes.
તમારી ફેક્ટરી વિઝિટ વર્ષો પહેલા કરી હતી, બહુ વર્ષ થયા, 10-12 વર્ષ થઈ ગયા. આપણે ત્યાં દમણમાં કે ક્યાંક છે વાપીમાં ત્યાં.
એ અમારી બીજી કંપની છે. It is another group. It's another, not a group company, but it's another company. I used to be director there many years ago, but now I'm no longer. That's a separate company. Our factory, I think we had a visit to Pune maybe many years ago, but now it is long overdue. Once we are little bit over some of our new expansions, etc. I mean, and this new tech center is set up, then maybe we can organize a visit to Pune or one of the nearby factories. Yes.
ચોક્કસ કરો છો. પુણે की ગમે તે વિઝિટ ચોક્કસ કરો છો.
Yeah, sure. We'll do that. Yes.
माननीय चेयरमैन श्री हर्षद भाई और अन्य माननीय डायरेक्टर, सर मेरा नाम भरत था। सर मैं बरसों से आपका शेयर होल्डर रहा हूँ। सर मेरी कोई क्वेरी नहीं है, क्योंकि आप जो निटली कंपनी चला रहे हो, बहुत अच्छी तरह से कंपनी को जो चला रहे हो और बहुत जो आगे बढ़ा रहे हो, तो मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अभिनंदन देता हूँ। इसलिए हर्षद भाई आपको, पूरे बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर और कंपनी के सभी छोटे बड़े एम्प्लॉइज का मैं बहुत बहुत आभार धन्यवाद व्यक्त करता हूँ सर। और सर मैं वंदनाबेन पाटिल और उनकी पूरी सेक्रेटरी टीम का भी बहुत अभिनंदन देता हूँ, क्योंकि बेस्ट इन्वेस्टर सर्विस दे रहे हैं, हमेशा शेयर होल्डर की क्वेरी सोल्व कर रहे, शेयर होल्डर को रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं। तो मैं पूरी CS टीम का बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। और सर आपकी अच्छी रहे, कंपनी बढ़िया प्रगति करे, सारे रिजोल्यूशन में मेरा पूरा सपोर्ट है सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम सर। जय श्री कृष्ण सर। जय श्री कृष्ण। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you very much, Bharat bhai. So I will just take up some of these queries and answer to my best of my abilities. And if anything is not clear, we could also connect later on email and clarify. So as regards Mr. Anil Mehta's question about trade war and GST, etc. In our case, GST is, ours is an industrial product, and all our sales are B2B. So GST has not been changed, and it doesn't impact us negatively in any way. On the positive side, of course, the duties on automotive sector has been reduced, so that could maybe improve demand for automotive components, but it doesn't impact us much positively or negatively. Regarding the trade war, our exports are primarily going to the United States, and now that duties have been imposed, we have to wait and watch. Still, it is not clear to what extent exports are likely to be impacted, because the US exports, some of the other exports, obviously to Australia and Europe are neutral. There's no impact of trade war. But yes, to the US, it could impact some of our sales. But so far, customer has not given any indication to us that they would like to reduce the imports from our company. Also, whatever future work we have been doing for exporting more to the same customer, we are still progressing on schedule with regard to that. But I think in another 2 months' time, it will become clearer to what extent, export. It could impact to some extent. So maybe about 5% of turnover of the company could get impacted because of these trade wars. Mr. Agarwal asked about attrition rate. Actually, our attrition rate is quite low. We had, when we had passed through a lot of turbulent times in the past, and then COVID, those were very difficult periods. But after that, once the business has stabilized and we are on growth path, in fact, I also mentioned in my statement about human resource side being a little bit behind our curve. So our challenge is not so much attrition. We have a very good team which has been with us for a long time. Their knowledge of customer requirements is very deep, and therefore our service to existing customer is at a very high level. We have been recently awarded as one of the best suppliers to two of our very big American customers. And so on attrition rate, there's no issue. But yes, for certain new technologies, the new businesses that we are entering, we are a little bit struggling to get the right team in place in the right time. And I think it's going on. It should be on schedule, as I mentioned in my chairman's statement. By end of the year, that should be in place. Mrs. Shinoy talked about GST. As I mentioned earlier, no impact of GST on the digital side. See, we are not in the IT business or those things. So as such, Digital India, the impact for us is neither positive nor negative. But we as a company are investing a lot in digitizing our data as well as using Internet of Things to see that data which is collected live from the factory shop floor is utilized for better operations, maintenance, etc. So as a company internally, we are digitizing very strongly, investing a lot of money in software as well as personnel to manage and run those softwares. Future roadmap, future growth is again, as I mentioned in the statement, we have put up new plant in Bangalore. We have expanded with a very large cutting shop in Gujarat. This may be one of the largest laser cutting shop in the country. So we are expanding our offerings now to heavy engineering sector as well as to the retail sector. So a lot of things are in place, and I see very good prospects for our future growth over the next 3 to 5 years. Because not only is the existing business likely to grow at a steady pace, but the newer businesses from robotics to specialized cutting will also add substantially to our growth for the future. Vandana, I don't have Mr. Bansal's questions. So do you have them with you, or can he read out, or can you read them out, please?
Yes. His first question is, what is the future roadmap for the company?
Yeah.
Second is, what initiatives management has taken to achieve the growth? And please provide details of research and development spend of the company. The steps taken by the management to restore margins. And question 4 is, your dedication, enthusiasm and inspiring are totally inspiring. I wish you for great achievement. Okay, that is a line. Okay, the person has 3 questions.
Got it. So I think initiatives for growth, I have already covered in my speech as well as in my previous answer. See, as far as R&D is concerned, from last year, we are spending a lot of money on R&D, specifically in two areas. One area is the welding operations, where we are trying to do we are trying to weld newer types of materials, aluminium, especially, as well as stainless steel with new processes. So that is one area where we are doing R&D. The second area, of course, is automation. So a lot of work which was being done by manual process, we are shifting to robotics. And that is where a lot of effort is being put in the design development of the fixtures and other additional supporting equipments which are required. All that is being done internally. We have set up a new design department also in the company. And these are the R&D initiatives. Also, we are now trying to work with some universities in Maharashtra and in Punjab, and work with them to help the universities also to on their education side, but also take up some projects which could they could work on to do some improvement projects for us along with their students. So these are the initiatives which have been taken for R&D. As far as you talked about restore margins, margins are, as you have seen, they are by and large quite steady over the last 6-8 quarters. They've been improving a little bit. Last one quarter, of course, as we said, the EBIT was about 0.5% lower, primarily due to about 1.5% increase in raw material consumption. But we have a very strong laser focus on the margin. Our main idea is to try and do a little bit more complex work where some kind of value addition is to be provided by the company and not just the routine kind of stuff. When I say value addition, it could be in terms of designing tools, fixtures, etc., which the customer only tells us the final product required, but the whole process has to be developed and done. Those are the kind of jobs that we are more trying to address, and that those definitely have better margins. So it is little bit more challenging. Sometimes it takes more time, but in the long run, those businesses are more sticky. Those customers remain with you, and you can continue to do business with them for a longer period at a reasonable margin. So that is those are the initiatives that are being taken. Also, as I mentioned in my chairman's statement itself, that some of these areas like automation for our own factories itself, what we are doing is to try and do all the learning and try and do it with our own team rather than just outsource it as a turnkey project, so that we can learn all these things, and it helps us in the future. Not only for ourselves, but also for providing better or a more varied kind of solutions to the customers. So these are the sort of initiatives that we've been taking. And thanks, Mr. Bansal, for your kind words for the management and the support from you. So I think that closes up. Any more people, Vandana?
No, sir.
So I hope, in case anything is left out, if people want, if you want some further inputs or discussions, please do get in touch with Vandana, and we can set up a meeting or we can clarify further as well. So you can proceed. I think Vandana.
Okay. So, thank you, sir. As mentioned earlier, the InstaPoll e-voting facility will continue to be available for 15 minutes after the meeting. I now request the moderator to deactivate the e-voting window after completion of 15 minutes. So, the annual general meeting is concluded at 11:40 a.m. Thank you, everyone.